Greetings humans, it is I, Spooky Celeste, and today we will be playing Uplink. I'll just do one quick thing. Okie dokie, there we go. Now, for those of you that don't know, this was a game released in about 2000, 2001. It was one of the early hacking simulators, although by far not the first if you count the Commodore 64. And it's a lot of fun. So, we're going to retire that guy, and now we'll create a new user. Yes, blah blah blah, establishing connection. Yes, I'm playing this in Windows, but I could very easily play this in Linux, which is great. Register as an agent. Okay. Zed. Okay, closest point to us would be Chicago, which is a major network hub. Alright. It wouldn't actually be that fast. Obviously. No, we don't need the tutorial. So just real quick, get the software, get ourselves started. I don't plan on going through the tutorial, it's too long, too slow. Let's see. We need the firewall breaker. We need the password breaker. Trace tracker. We need version 2. Log deleter. Can't get that yet. Can't get anything else right now, but trace tracker v2 will be fine. Run the trace tracker. Disconnect, connect to the internet. Now that's actually one feature I really like in OnLink versus Uplink, is that you could just, quite literally, just use the entire network as a long chain. It'd be really easy to do proxy chaining in that one, because you can just auto do it with a list of IPs. But on here you gotta do it manually, so I'm not gonna do a huge number. Just enough. And we'll try to mix it up every so often. Remember, the greatest point of failure in any hacking or security situation with computers is the end user. To quote my teacher from class, the first line of defense in any security system is the front door. Or, you know, the office door or whatever. So, let's see. Let's see, where's internet? Internet. Where's internet? That was close. Test machine. National Bank. Access server. OCP, I'll definitely go through that. Where's internet? This text is so tiny. My gateway. Did anyone else see where internet was? Oh, hang on, I got a solution for that. I want to make a mark on that one. There we go. That should always be your voice point connection. First point of connection. Sorry, sometimes when I cough, I slip into a weird, funny accent. Did not even intend to do that, just happened. That's Africa. We'll kind of bounce around here. Go through with systems that are secure. Go through Zion Labs. I know it may be crazy using RoboCop as an access terminal, but, you know, why not? He's mobile, right? Except he could try chasing me, it'd be pretty funny. Except this doesn't take place in RoboCop world, does it? It's a really funny Easter egg, though. Definitely check it out. It lists the RoboCop program, things, attributes, whatever. Go through the bank. Go here, 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 through the sample local area network, and then internal services system. Save it. Connect. Disconnect. Okay, now. Load it. Go to the test machine. Okay, now we're ready. Start the test. Go through the password breaker. It should be Rosebud. You can tell I've played this if I already know the password. Access file server. File copier. Test data. Oh, come on. I think this game still uses modems. How terrifying. Reply with the test data. So that was the test. Pretty straightforward stuff. Go into Uplink, internal services system. Do a few jobs, get some cash, get a good log deleter. Mission list. Let's see. Steal. Destroy. Mainframe. Yeah, okay, I'll accept that one. And I want half the money now. Okay, fine. I'll take it anyway. Disconnect. Okay. Who's my target? Network Associates Internal Services. Simple. And it's Adaptive Microsystems. Okay. I'll go here first. Ooh. That's not what I want. It's clearly not that one. Gotcha. That's right, they're color-coded, aren't they? Break the passcode. You want me to delete net data 79185. By the way, true fact, internet did exist at one point. It was real. So that was a thing. Like the passcode. By using so many links, it makes it really hard to trace me too. Makes it take longer, makes these early missions really easy. Aided data. Okay. File deleter. 690868. Click off the file server, admin, console. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to do this now. CD log. Let's see. Here we go. Delete. And see, that's how you delete logs. You can do it that way, and it won't be detected. Just takes a little longer. Now if I go to view logs, well, it'll show that, but you don't need software for that at least. And that'll be fine, it'll just look funny. We just need to go to the internal sources machine, which is... That's internet. Here we go. Gotta remember to make markers on those too. Let's see, how long have I been recording for? Looks like 11 minutes? Okay. Software upgrades. Now can we get the log deleter and get a decent one? Not quite. Okay, I need one more big mission because how many credits do I have? Yeah. So. Accept that job. And that job. Okay. Disconnect. Load. We'll go to landmark technology first. Which is this one. Okay. Security. Cracker. Password breaker. You don't always have to use admin either. You can just use read write. It's less detected that way. Less obvious. Although admin allows you to delete logs. The file server. Now you want me to delete. Let's see. 15045. Apply, send. Thank you. Disconnect. Okay, then load up. Security, cracker, password breaker, break it. I got all the time in the world, but crack the code. File server, what do you want me to delete? Notice it's taking less time to track me now. Okay, data, failure 5032. Apply, send. Remember, only delete. You don't actually want to go for a higher level thing, because if you try to get a head start on it, it can and will bite you in the ass. Okay, so I got my cache. Do I have enough now? Yes. Okay, so we'll go to bottom here. Internal services. Zip game. Software upgrades. Log deleter. The best version of log deleter. Disconnect. Connect directly to internet. We'll just delete all the logs. Okay. Admin. Security. Password breaker, please. Now comes for the fun part. Now notice I waited till I could get the highest version of log deleter. There's a good reason for it. Access logs. can see there, see it was actually looking for stuff. See, it was routed through here. But this will be the stop. If they can't see that in the logs, then things stop here, see? Making it much, much harder for people to track me. That's why it's good to get the log deleter as your first software outside of the password breaker early on. Makes you much harder to trace. It's also why it's good to have internick as your final interim point before your main system, because it could come from anywhere at that point. You want to connect to sample company. Let's see. And we'll stop at about 5. I'll do one more mission. This is just an early episode. You guys tell me if you want to see more Uplink. Because I could talk for hours about hacking, computers, technology while playing this. You know, differences between game world, real world, things like that. Now, copy. Or we could do something much harder. Contact it. Disconnect for now. Let's do something a little harder, yeah? I wonder what that orange piece is about. Anyway, we're going to the International Economic Database. Now, I'm going to actually type in right? Or actually... Password breaker. Okay. Hang on. Let's disconnect real quick. Load. Admin read write. Okay, so that's what I want. Read write. Read write. It'll be less suspicious if I use that, for example. It'll take longer to trace too. As far as passive traces go, and the passwords are usually less secure. Granted, I won't be able to delete the logs. I am able to write data, and it'll be just easier. And they won't replace the password as quick either. So if I go to search records, add his name here. Notice it's still at only 1%. Okay, Matt. No image. What does he want? He wants a degree. Chemical engineering. Class 1. Commit it. Close. Reply. So that's right. Good to go. Type my own name here, you can get stuff too. For example. Give it a second. Have to get down to the S's. See that? Computer science. I'm gonna add one. Let's add Computer Network Administration Class 1. Let's just add Net Admin Class 1. Because that's actually what's going on. So I just made myself look better. I'll also say straight hacker. Actually no, let's do this a little better. Total badass. Because I'm just having some fun. It's not like they're going to trace me right away or anything. We're just going to internet, connect. Okay. Admin. Access logs. Log deleter. And this is just to kind of stop passive traces. But yeah, you can do all sorts of crazy stuff like that. I know it's obvious if your record says you're a total badass, but hey, maybe I'm Jeb. Who knows? Alright, well I'm gonna stop it here, just because, well, this is a first episode, see how things go. If you guys want to see more Uplink, just say so in the comments. I'll probably do more, but I want to get a feel for what you guys think first. So until next time, if you like the video, like, subscribe, let me know. This has been Spooky Lost, signing off.